everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Noorie, and today I am doing a unboxing video. So this is the first of hopefully many on this channel. In today's video I'm going to be unboxing two purchases that I made when I was on holiday in Italy. If you haven't already seen my Amalfi Coast travel vlog, definitely check it out. I'll leave it plugged somewhere here. But if you have watched that vlog, then you probably have seen or know what I'm about to show you guys. So I'm so excited about these purchases because these are two things that I've wanted to buy when I was in London, but they're always out of stock in my size and I could never find them. So when I was in Capri and I saw that they had them, I was so happy and obviously had to buy them. So I'm just gonna get straight into the video because I know most of you guys just want to see what I've got and also the unboxing process. I love watching unboxing videos. It's just feels like it's like part of the whole experience, you know, just watching someone unbox these. And also I haven't opened these, so since I've arrived, it's been a week now since I came back, I actually haven't unboxed anything because I wanted to wait for this video. Should we start with, no, leave Chanel last. I'll do Hermes. So what did I get from here? I just love the packaging, so pretty. I don't know if you're supposed to speak through like unboxing these, but I'm just opening them up. Okay, so obviously this pair of shoes. I did ask them if they had a Birkin. Well, I didn't say if you have a Birkin, I said do you have any bags, and he's like, what bag are you looking for? And I said, what bags do you have? Hoping that he was, you know, gonna say like a Birkin. No, he said if you're looking for an iconic bag, we don't have any, and then he started listing all the other bags that I'm not interested in. But anyway, I got the Oran sandals. So these are in the black colour, and you guys, if you are familiar with this channel, you will know that I literally live in the gold ones. I wear the gold ones all the time. They're literally the perfect summer sandals. I've wanted the black ones for so long now, but they are always out of stock online. Like I literally check all the time, they're out of stock, and also in store it's quite hard to get size 39. It's not impossible, but when I went to Italy and they had them available, I just bought them. And they were also £40 cheaper than they are in the UK. So these are about £440. I believe in the UK they're £495, so I saved some money there. I love these. I think they are the perfect everyday sandal. They go with everything. I've had my gold ones for a couple of years now and they're super comfortable. I think they do take a little bit of breaking in, but once you break it into them, they are the most perfect sandal ever. I think they're so classy and so chic, and now that I've unboxed them, I'm so excited to wear them. I would say that if you are interested in getting these are true to size. So I'm a size European 39 and these are a 39, so they are a true fit. And then the next thing that I'm so excited about is from Chanel. So I have been wanting this piece, this item. I've been wanting this item for such a long time now. I'm just gonna show you. I just love Chanel packaging. It is just an experience, you know, opening it, like it's all part of it. So this is just fell out. That's obviously the care like stuff. So we've got the dust bag and some laces, so you guys know it's trainers. I've been wanting a pair of Chanel trainers for the longest time ever. From when I knew Chanel existed and I knew they did trainers, I have wanted a pair for so long, and they would always sell out as soon as they came out. So I finally managed to get a pair in Italy, and they're the pair that I've wanted, so I'm so happy. This was actually a gift from True. True actually got these for me as a gift, so I'm very lucky. Thank you, True, for making my dream come true. That wasn't even on purpose. Okay. It's like love at first sight. Let's just hit them up. Oh my god, I literally love them. I got the Chanel trainers. I love this. I love the colorway. I have so many white trainers, so True was like, you should get this color because it was between this and the knit trainers in white, but he was right, I do have too many white trainers, and this is like a nice neutral color. It's like a grey, bluey colour. I'm just obsessed. I love these so much. Let me get the other one out. So these are the trainers. I think they will go with everything. I actually live in trainers. I wear trainers all the time and I can't believe I don't have a Chanel pair. So this was definitely like very high on my wish list. So I'm so happy I finally have a pair of Chanel trainers. I think they are absolutely gorgeous. I love chunky trainers. Like, this style is perfect for me. They are also very comfortable. When I tried them on, they feel super comfortable. Yeah, I just love them. Let me check the receipt because I believe these were actually like £100 more expensive than they are in the UK. Okay, so these were 790 euros and the exchange rate between pounds and euros is very weak, so it's about like 780, 770 pounds. And I believe the trainers in the UK are like around 600 or just like 700, but no more than 700, I'm sure. So they are like slightly more expensive, but they were worth it because I can't find them in London anywhere and my size is always gone, and then people buy them and like resell them for more. So for me it was definitely worth it and I'm so happy I have them. And yeah, they're the two items that I got. So I've got 2 new pairs of shoes and I'm so excited to wear them. I think they're going to be like worn a lot, so cost per wear they're definitely worth it because I do wear my shoes a lot. I also bought my mum a pair of the Oran sandals in the gold colour that I have because she has wanted them for a while now and I just was in a little spending mood and I thought I'd treat her, and I think the fact that they were £40 less was definitely like a push. I've got this on my hand. Yeah, so I am really excited and happy about these new purchases. Let me know what you think of the shoes. Yeah, this is my first unboxing, so I don't know if I did it right. I just opened it and like took you through the experience that I've been going through. If you're not already, don't forget to follow me on Instagram because that's where you'll probably see me styling these a lot and you'll probably get sick of them. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you think of these shoes and I will see you in the next video. So goodbye. Oh, this keeps getting stuck to me. Yeah, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye.